Hi everyone, I'm Emma. Today, I'm going to tell you all about my daily routine. This is a look at a typical day for me, from the moment I open my eyes in the morning to when I go to bed at night. I hope you enjoy listening and that it helps you practice your English. I usually wake up around 6:30 a.m. every morning. As soon as I hear my alarm, I reach over and turn it off. I take a deep breath and stretch my arms and legs to wake up my body. Then, I get out of bed and go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth first because it helps me feel clean and ready for the day. I also wash my face to feel fresh. If I still feel sleepy, I splash a little cold water on my face to wake up fully. After freshening up, I head to the kitchen to make a cup of coffee. I love the smell of coffee in the morning. It really wakes me up. While the coffee is brewing, I think about what I want to have for breakfast. Most mornings, I have a bowl of cereal with some fruit, like bananas or berries, because it's easy and tasty. But some days I feel like eating something different, so I make toast with either avocado or some jam. I enjoy my breakfast slowly with my coffee. After I finish eating, I check my phone for a few minutes. I like to read the news to see what's happening in the world, and I check my messages to see if there's anything I need to reply to. I try not to spend too much time on my phone, so after about 15 minutes, I put it away and start getting ready for my day. Around 8 a.m., I start thinking about what I will wear to work. I choose my outfit and get dressed. Then I do my makeup, brush my hair, and make sure I have everything I need for work. I pack my bag with my laptop, notebooks, and sometimes a water bottle and a snack. By 8:30, I'm ready to leave the house, so I walk to the bus stop. While I wait for the bus, I sometimes listen to music or check my phone briefly. The bus ride to work takes about 20 minutes, and I enjoy looking out the window to see what's going on outside. I arrive at work around 9 a.m., and I head to my desk to start my day. My job keeps me busy with meetings, emails, and projects. There's always something to do. Around noon, it's time for a lunch break. I often go to a nearby cafe or eat a lunch that I brought from home. I usually try to eat something healthy, like a salad or a sandwich. I enjoy talking with my colleagues while we eat. It's a nice break from work. In the afternoon, I get back to my tasks and work until around 5 p.m. When the day is over, I pack my things and head home on the bus. Once I get home, I like to relax for a bit. Sometimes I watch TV and other times I read a book to unwind. Around 6:30 or 7 p.m., I start thinking about dinner. I like cooking, so I prepare something simple but tasty, like pasta with sauce or a vegetable stir-fry. After dinner, if the weather is nice, I enjoy going for a short walk outside. The fresh air helps me relax, and I love looking at the stars if it's a clear night. After my walk, I take a shower to feel clean and refreshed before bed. Then I put on my pajamas and spend some time relaxing in the evening. I might watch a movie, call a friend to chat, or write in my journal. I like to unwind as much as possible before bed. Around 10 p.m., I start my bedtime routine. I brush my teeth, set my alarm for the next day, and maybe read a few pages of a book to relax. By 10:30, I'm ready to sleep. I close my eyes and try to rest well so I can feel good the next day. That's my daily routine. It's simple but keeps me organized and happy. Thanks for listening, and I hope you enjoyed hearing about my day. See you next time.